Welcome. This is Jane Gardner, and welcome to Solopreneur Success Strategies. And today it's Jill or Jack of all trades Thursday, because a solopreneur needs to know a little bit about a lot of things. So we have to be a Jill or Jack of all trades. So on this Thursdays, we have been looking at various things that you need to learn about a little. And we've looked at HTML, we've looked at WordPress, we've looked at cash flow. I'll have to think about, make a list of everything that we've looked at. But today, for those of you who are new to being a solopreneur, we're going to start looking at sales and selling. Yay, this is what business is all about. And for those who don't know me, where am I? I don't think I'm here. No, I'm not. For those who don't know me, I work with my husband in our structural engineering firm in Western Canada, and I went out onto the internet about 3 years ago to help others with their business. So today, on Thursdays, we talk about all the things that you need to know as a solopreneur. You don't have to be frightened of a lot of them, really. You don't have to know a lot about a lot of these things, just enough in order to get by in your business. So for today, we're going to have a look at PayPal. For those of you who've never looked at PayPal, we'll just quickly talk about PayPal, and then next time we'll show you how to put a PayPal button onto your website, a landing page, and make some money. And then we'll look at some of the other sales, ways you can do sales on the internet as well, like shopping carts and stuff. So this is going to be all about selling. But we have done WordPress. WordPress is easy at jgtips.com/wpress, where you can learn some of the things you need to know about WordPress in order to work with your website. We've looked at pricing, profitable pricing at jgtips.com/pricing, defining your customer, knowing your competitor, positioning your product or service, and how to create a pricing strategy so you can lower and raise your prices. And we've also looked at HTML, which is the back side of your website, and you don't want to have to pay a website developer to do minor changes to your HTML to your website. So you come and look at jgtips.com/html to learn some of the things that we will learn on how to take control of HTML on your website. So let's go and find my slides. And for those of you who don't know about PayPal, it is a safe and easy way to transfer money between buyers and sellers of both online stores and offline or brick and mortar stores. As a buyer, all you need to do is link your credit card or debit card and or your bank account to PayPal, and you're good to go to buy. PayPal became somewhat important to people when eBay came out, and eBay, I think, was one of the few places that you could go to work with PayPal in order to buy stuff. So that's for those of you who've never done it before. PayPal is a way to move money between buyer and sellers. You no longer have to have your credit card information or your bank account numbers to make purchases. PayPal securely stores that information, and all you need to do is click on the PayPal buy button and give them your email address, of course, and log into your PayPal account, which is based on your email address. As well, of course, you have to link it to some payment plans just so you can actually buy. And the merchants do not see any of your banking or credit card information because PayPal keeps all that stuff securely locked away. Plus, as a buyer, PayPal does not charge you anything for their services. So that's awesome because their small fees come from the seller. Boo. But actually, they're very small fees. You just have to look at the current PayPal website to find out what the fees are. As a seller or business owner, it's equally secure and simple. For you to take advantage of the power of PayPal, you just need to link your bank account info and an email address, and you're up and running. No hoops to jump through and no credit checks to worry about. Use a business. There are two main things that you need to receive payment online. A payment gateway, which is what PayPal is, and an internet merchant account. Oh, actually, a payment gateway would be maybe your landing page or your page where you're selling, or your catalog product page, and an internet merchant account. These two items can require credit checks and hoops to jump through, but PayPal can act as both your payment gateway and your merchant account without those hoops and credit checks, making it easy for you to receive a payment from your customers. Whether you're a buyer, a seller, or both, head over to paypal.com and sign up for your account. It's easy. And in fact, you can sign up for more than one account. But why use PayPal for your payment system and your merchant account? Well, buyers don't have to use a credit card if they don't want to. They can just use the money that's in their PayPal, or whatever bank account is tied into PayPal will pay for any of their purchases. So they don't actually have to have a credit card, so that doesn't stop them from buying from you. And payment into your account is instant, and it's easy to create a one-time sale or a subscription payment button. PayPal bills customers for subscriptions every month automatically. And of course, PayPal works day and night from customers all over the world, accepting payments or billing subscription plans for your business. But what are some of the limitations with PayPal? If you were to have only PayPal as your merchant account, well, refunds have to be given manually by you to customers. You have to go into your PayPal and then make a refund. And obviously the same for subscriptions. You have to cancel the subscription manually. And PayPal especially can limit your accounts in terms of money deposit and withdrawal from your account, or it can even suspend your account. So at all times you have to try to comply with their acceptable use policy. And having a good relationship with a PayPal representative will help you during a selling period, because PayPal keeps eye out for large transactions. If you're having, for example, a product launch, and you're having quite a few sales all of a sudden in 2,000, 4,000, 10,000, etc., PayPal may decide to suspend your account until they can find out why there's so much money is coming into your account. So for that kind of limitation, it's very easy. All you have to do is call up your PayPal representative or find a PayPal representative and tell them what's going on. Tell them that you're having a big sale or you're having a big launch, and you may have large transactions going into your account, and you probably shouldn't have any problems, because all they want to know is to be aware of these things. So certainly one of the things that you need as a solopreneur is PayPal. I mean, a lot of people do not use credit cards, and a lot of people don't use checks. Well, you're not going to accept checks on the internet anyway, or cash. So PayPal is like cash in that it's being transferred from one person, from the buyer to the seller. And of course, you can also do subscriptions through that. So it's worth having PayPal as your payment gateway and merchant account, or even just the merchant account, and then tie it in to other things like your shopping carts and things. So if you're a solopreneur or thinking of being a solopreneur, it's worth going and signing up for a PayPal account, because you can do more than one merchant account. I, for example, have PayPal, but I also have Stripe, which is another merchant account service, and we'll probably go over that at another time. But I think it's more important for next week to show you how to put a PayPal button onto your website page. Very exciting. in order to have someone come click the button and buy from you. So for those of you who have never done that before, we'll be doing that next week. I'll show you a demo of that and probably have a giveaway with the instructions on how to do it so you can start selling as a solopreneur. Thank you for listening. Remember, you have to be a Jill or Jack of all trades in order to be a solopreneur. So don't ignore these various skills you need. Go out and learn a few of them. Bye.